Hi guys, welcome to another show here at the Hollywood, Florida. Behind me, as you can see, is the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, where every month they have the cars display. Okay, I'm gonna go around show you the cars and everything, and next month I'm gonna do um, um, a video live. If you have any question, please um, be prepared. Let me know, and I will be more than happy to answer your question. Right now, I'm walking to the car show. Let me show you. The car is already arriving. As you can see, they have people here taking picture of the car. There's one Lamborghini right there, and just let me go. I'm waiting here. Let me go to the other side. Okay. Here I am. Here, as you can see, they have several Formula One car. Okay. We have this one here from Alton Action, Crypto.com. We have that one here. They were here before. And then we have this one here. Beautiful car. Another one here. Very, very, very nice. Uh, Let me have a picture here. Okay, here we are again. Um, Let me show you these four here. Very nice. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment below. We have a little Chihuahua there. Or hot dog, I don't know. Hey! Sorry. Okay, here we have a STO Lamborghini. Very, very nice. We have a lot of people as always. Yeah. Okay, here is the main entrance where all the cars start coming to the show.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Okay, we gotta stay away.
Stay on the grass, everybody. Go ahead.
We have one Ferrari, the blue one.
that's a 918. Oh.